Hello, World Cup fans.
We love football and we love ranch. So when we heard the world was having trouble getting the classic taste of America back home, we knew we had to do something to help.
And since this channel is dedicated to education and learning real-life skills, today we will bring you Ranch Smuggling 101.
The secret, you don't need to smuggle it if it's not liquid.
They make ranch that's not liquid?
Indeed, if your homeland has milk and mayo or sour cream, your ranch dreams don't have to end when the World Cup is over.
There are three main places you might find it in an American grocery store.
1. Check near the bottle dressings. Often dressing mix packets are nearby. 2. Look for the spices and seasonings aisle. There's normally a packet section. 3. Look for where they keep the gravy and sauces. Dry mixes can hide here too.
Here's the dressing mix, featuring a 2-pack in true American style.
This one needs milk and mayonnaise, but you can also just use it as a dry rub.
Here's the dip mix. Just add sour cream.
If you haven't tried this yet, you're missing out.
And finally, this may not be the most classic ranch, but if you're not making it from scratch, this is the best generally available one we found that's carried in a lot of grocery stores. You just have to look in the refrigerated section.
No one is sponsoring this.
Our channel is tiny, but you should definitely watch our CPR videos after this while dipping something in this ranch.
Oh, one more thing. In a slightly ironic twist, the best widely available restaurant ranch in America is actually an Australian-themed steakhouse. Gotta get that Outback Ranch. Their secret is cayenne pepper.
We hope you found this video helpful and that the rest of your time in America is the most wonderful adventure of a lifetime.
Take our love back home. Today we brought you the taste of global unity.
So follow us for more high-impact education. What's your favorite ranch and where do you find it? Let us know in the comments.
And if you thought this video was worth watching, please give it a thumbs up.